salah behind this individual is absolutely impermissible.
I'm not a mufti, but I will issue a fatwa. Salah behind Uthman bin Farooq, okay? Al-Miskin, Al-Jahil is haram.
Definitely. 100%.
He's not reliable. He's going to change the disciplines. He's a Google sheikh. You can tell he Googled stuff.
Definitely.
He's been done recently for plagiarism.
Yeah.
Right? He's stealing whole section to be a local imam. You are not fit to do a nikah for anyone. You are not fit to make Jummah khutbah. You are not fit to lead a prayer. Balki, you need to get your own tajweed checked. Yeah. Because in your own prayer, you still need to recite Quran mujawwadan. So please go back to school, young boy, and get
like I was saying, this guy, he's going around acting like a sheikh, telling people, well, you've got that stupid dawah man next to him, telling people he's got a master's in hadith. What type of master's in hadith is this, that this man can't read a verse of the Quran correctly whilst looking at it?
Hello everyone, this is your favorite Murtad, live once again. Salamul Masih, peace of Christ be with each and every one of you. As you have heard already, two of the Salafi Muslims, I would like to give credit where it is due, that finally, thanks to the internet, even the Muslims are calling out Muslims. Because in the past, a Muslim would stand in front of a crowd and he can say whatever he wants to, and nobody will say anything to him in return. I would like to appreciate and will give thanks to these two Salafi Muslims, Al-Islam Production channel. They have like 11,000 subscribers, not a very big channel, but at least they are honest. And what they have said, I have taken this small cutting from their 45 minutes video and I am putting it here for you to listen, that Uthman Ibn Farooq can't even recite the Quran. All the books that he has behind him in Arabic, how can you say that he can read them and comprehend them when he can't even properly recite the Quran? And that's the whole purpose of these two guys' 45 minutes long video, which I'm cutting it short for you guys in 8 minutes. Let me play that for you so that you would listen, understand, and comprehend.
ولوطا إذا قال لقومه ولوطا إذ قال لقومه.
We are not asking you to read like a Qari al-Muqri, to have ijaza. All we're saying is, like they say in our language, read like a bandina putar.
Like a bandina putar.
Our maktab kids who are 6 years old can differentiate between idh, alif, kasra, dhal. Or in the Indo-Pak, alif, zair, dhal, idh. What's idha? Why are you changing the Holy Quran?
He's added a letter.
He's looking in and reading. Allah says in the Holy Quran, الَّذِينَ آتَيْنَاهُمُ الْكِتَابَ يَتْلُونَهُ حَقَّ تِلَاوَتِهِ. Those people who we have given the book to, they recite it as it should be recited. Which means he is not from the people who are people of the Quran and Sunnah.
وأنجانا أهله يعني الله وأنجانا أهله يعني الله.
فَأَنْجَيْنَاهُ وَأَهْلَهُ. And with tajweed, فَأَنْجَيْنَاهُ وَأَهْلَهُ. فَأَنْجَيْنَا. Fa, fatha, zabar, fa. He's reading wa. So he can't differentiate between a fa with a dot on it and a waw. He acts all Pathanified. Imagine you were in Afghanistan. They'd take you to bazaar and whoop you, bro. Masters for jahalat. فَأَنْجَيْنَاهُ. Wa. He changed fa into wa. أَنْجَيْنَاهُ. أَنْجَهْنَا. Anjayna, he's changing it into a ha. Who at the end is missing out? He's missing out the dhamir. فَأَنْجَيْنَاهُ وَأَنْجَهْنَا. Let's listen to it again.
وأنجانا أهله يعني الله وأنجانا أهله يعني الله.
What do you mean, Yani Allah? You acting like some mufassir that's sat there in Haram al-Makki. You're fooling the people. But what I'm shocked about, Mullah, is the people must be daft as well.
In the 10th verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, ضرب الله مثالا للذين كفروا من امرأة نوح وامرأة لوط. ضرب الله مثالا للذين كفروا من امرأة نوح وامرأة لوط.
ضرب الله.
Oh, astaghfirullah.
Okay, fine. Okay, you can say that he's just splitting the words. But that's not a way of reciting, is it?
That's not a way of reciting.
ضرب الله. ضرب الله. Next.
No, you missed it.
Yeah. ضرب الله مثالا. مثلا.
He's changing it to mithalan.
مثلا. ميم زبر ما. ثا زبر ث. لام دو زبر لن. مثلا. It's actually in Ahsan al-Qawaid. This word, Maulana. Yeah, this is actually in Ahsan al-Qawaid, which means he hasn't learned Qaida. This guy has not learned Qaida. You know, when we were small, you had the first page of Qaida separately. It was on like a hardback type of, thing. It's called Patti. Go back, Puttar, and learn Patti. We used to read it from Masiji, opposite our road. Darab Allahu mathalan, he's reading Daraba Allahu mithalan. Okay? So mithalan, okay, then he goes lilladhina kafaru min he's just put an extra word in,
A full word.
he's put min in, he's put an extra word, yeah, he's put an harf jar in Quran.
كفروا من امرأة نوح وامرأة لوط.
Astaghfirullah. This guy is off the rails. Anyway, not imra'at, min imratin. Imratan. What are you doing here?
وقيل ادخل النار مع الداخلين.
وقيل ادخل النار. وقيل ادخلا النار. Allah saying, it was said, enter the fire. He's saying, yeah? The fact that you're stuttering shows that you don't know Nazira. You can't recite looking in.
Look.
أولئك الذي يشترون الضلال بالهدى والعذاب بالمغفرة فما أصبرهم على النار.
Now in this one he's actually given a khutbah, so he's got the robe on, yeah, with the gold lining. أولئك الذين, yeah.
أولئك الذي.
So he's reading أولئك الذي. So الذين he's changed to الذي. Okay. أولئك الذين نشتروا الضلالة. He's making أولئك الذي يشترون الضلالة or something of the sort.
أولئك الذي يشترون الضلال بالهدى والعذاب بالمغفرة.
And then the whole congregation, and then they're inviting them to the local masjids. This jahil, this ignorant miskin.
يا أيها الناس ما غرك بربك الكريم الذي خلقك وسواك وعدلك. يا أيها الناس.
Astaghfirullah. Tawbah.
Astaghfirullah.
He's totally chopped off the word.
Now in this one, يا أيها الإنسان ما غرك بربك الكريم. يا أيها الناس. يا أيها الإنسان. يا أيها الناس.
He's taken off the word.
Look.
Insan, human.
Can you tell the difference between يا أيها الإنسان and يا أيها الناس?
These are not minor mistakes, minor tajweed mistakes, makharij mistakes. These are major, which might even come under tahrif al-Quran. You're changing the words of the Quran. You're taking out full words. You're taking out full letters. Allahu Akbar.
You're adding letters.
You're adding letters. So you can see the severity of this. And like I said, the whole purpose of this is to show this man, who do you think you are, coming here, pointing out the mistakes of stalwarts of this ummah, yet you can't even look in the Quran and recite the
Mullah, I want to
Quran
make a
correctly.
point. Mullah, these Johal, and he even came to his masjid recently as well. Yeah. These Johal need to be put in their place academically. If they want discussion, we're ready for them. But sort your tajweed out. First, my first condition with you is to first test your tajweed. So you better get learning.
This individual is absolutely impermissible.
I'm not a mufti, but I will issue a fatwa. Salah behind Uthman bin Farooq, okay? Al-Miskin, Al-Jahil is haram.
Definitely. 100%.
He's not reliable. He's going to change the disciplines. He's a Google sheikh. You can tell he Googled stuff.
Definitely.
He's been done recently for plagiarism.
Yeah.
Right? He's stealing whole section to be a local imam. You are not fit to do a nikah for anyone. You are not fit to make Jummah khutbah. You are not fit to lead a prayer. Balki, you need to get your own tajweed checked. Yeah. Because in your own prayer, you still need to recite Quran mujawwadan. So please go back to school, young boy, and get
Like I was saying, this guy, he's going around acting like a sheikh, telling people, well, you've got that stupid dawah man next to him, telling people he's got a master's in hadith. What type of master's in hadith is this, that this man can't read a verse of the Quran correctly whilst looking at it?
To all the Muslims in this world now, after you have watched this, do you still think that you would give 2 cents to this Uthman Ibn Farooq now? With that, I'll say thank you so very much for watching. Have a blessed day, evening or night, wherever you are. Yeshua Akbarul Azim.